Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Transit battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Always ensure the vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Remember to wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the process. The battery is typically located under the driver's seat or sometimes in the engine bay, depending on your specific model. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. It is crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Use your wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal clamp, then carefully remove the cable and secure it away from the battery. Once the negative is clear, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal using the same careful approach. Safety is paramount during this step. With both terminals disconnected, you can now remove the old battery. First, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure it in place. Be aware that vehicle batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 to 60 pounds, so lift with care. Once removed, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the cable terminals with a wire brush to remove any corrosion. Also, inspect your cables for damage. Finally, it's time to install your new battery. Carefully place the new battery securely into the clean battery tray. Remember, when connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, ensuring it's tight and secure. Then, connect the negative terminal, tightening it firmly with your wrench. For added protection and longevity, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. You've successfully replaced your Ford Transit battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.